Eve was Adam's daughter, a doctrine too shocking for publication. Brigham Young's August 31, 1873 sermon included the startling claim, recorded by Wilford Woodruff, that Mother Eve was the daughter of Adam. In the published Journal of Discourses, this statement was replaced with a vague reference to a woman, Eve, brought to Adam, concealing the original doctrine. The revision masks Young's teaching that Adam fathered humanity through an incestuous union with his own daughter. One can only imagine Orson Pratt, present and speaking that same day, reacting with deep discomfort at such a declaration.